So I just wanted to show you this awesome camera. So you can see it's pretty old. I think it's more than 40 years old right now. But you can see that the leather is still perfectly fine. It's in good condition. That is how like the original old leather used to be, not like the shabby stuff we get in the current time, which doesn't even last for a few years. So this is 40 years old. So let's get to the camera. I'm sorry, the zipper is broken now. The metal didn't last, the leather did. So let's open this up and see what's inside. This is the Konica camera. It has got a cap. You don't need that. So it's a funny thing. This is a viewfinder. It's a flash, the main camera here, and let's see. So when you want to use the flash, you just boom and use the flash. When you don't want to use it, just press it down. You need batteries in here to get the flash working. So you need 2 batteries. Flash didn't work. Sorry to tell you that, but the flash didn't work. I tried making it work, but it didn't work. So that is there. Apart from that, everything is mechanical in this one. So if you want to see how mechanical it is, I'll just open this up and just focus here. So I'll load the camera, and when I press the button, you'll see a small thing which actually captures the image. So we'll do it again so that you can actually see it. You see that very small tiny blink. You see that very small tiny blink which does the work. So completely mechanical, no battery required, nothing required. You can go anywhere in the world without a worry of recharging a battery and take photographs. Yeah, I know the photo quality is very different compared to what modern DSLRs are able to get, but this is one of the best things that was there 40 years ago. So a few things that I wanted to discuss that I really find cool about this is one is the pop-up flash. So you have a pop-up flash here, which is really cool. Jumps out and it's on. You press it back and it's off. It gives you adjustable ISO, so you can go to 200 and 400, which was never there in most cameras. Another funny thing is whenever you load a new film, so you basically open it up, like you put in a new film here, fit it here, and then it's there. Load it up, lock and load. So you'll see this automatically opens up. You press it back in, it will go back in. So that's there. Another thing is whenever you open it up, it will reset to 0. So it's here says start. You load it once, click, 2, click, 1, 2, 3, says 4, click. So now it's all mechanical. So the very second I open this up, it's going to get reset back to 0. You can see here. So I'll just open it up. Boom. It goes back reset to 0. So that is how awesome this is. There's nothing computerized in it. No chip, nothing is there. It's all mechanical. It's all working without a battery. So we'll just go forward again. You can hear all the mechanism going in. Another thing what you had to do towards the end was to Once the reel gets over, it gets like to around 30-35 shots you get in this camera with one reel. You have to just lift this up, reverse it, and once you're done reversing it, you have to pop it open, take the reel and get it developed. So to show you this, pretty awesome. Since it's all mechanical, there's no part in it that works on a chip or a battery. So apart from this flash, so it's still perfectly fine. I can use it if I get a film to work in this. So I don't have a film right now. It'll cost you a lot, like really costly. That is how this camera functions. This is just something I wanted to share with you, like how far the technology has come with the DSLRs, shooting like proper photographs to from here. So I'll show you the size comparison as well. You can see is a size comparison here.